As we approach the gardening season, one of the important things is to think about how you're going to preserve or use the food that you grow. We can, and obviously we've talked about canning, so here's some of the items you may want to kind of stockpile up on depending on what you're going to need. But vinegar, that's very important in pickling and preserving food. So if you see a good sale on vinegar or find a coupon or something, you know, go ahead, pick it up. It has a good shelf life on it, so it's something you're definitely going to need. Lemon juice, that's used in a lot of different canning recipes as well, so that's something to look into. And honestly, if it's a store brand or the nationwide brand, it doesn't really make a difference. So just think about what you need. Sugar, all-purpose regular ground cane sugar, white sugar is used a lot. Pickling salt, you want to use that. We use it because I guess it helps, it dissolves faster and better in canning. Pectin, you're going to use that in jams and jellies, and you can find almost all these items, I would say, at a local grocery store or where you pick up your canning supplies. So pectin is fairly easy to find. If you don't know where it is, just ask your grocery manager. One of the items that we use sometimes if we just want to make some pickles in a real quick process is this pickle mix. It's tasty, and like I said, it's for make it real fast. Some of the fresher ingredients you might use are lemon, limes, garlic, cinnamon. So that's something that you might want to also keep an eye on sales, especially if you can maybe keep it in a fridge, keep your garlic fresh, or even grow your own. And then other ones that we have here are whole spices or dried spices. Peppercorns are used a lot, whole cloves, allspice. Here's a pickling spice mix that you can use that's got a whole bunch of spices mixed together. Then we have dill seed. We pick that up at the store, and we also grow our own, so that's something to keep on hand. Dill weed and mustard seed. And then some of the recipes will also call for vanilla. So as you can see, it's some of the stuff that you may already have on hand, or maybe you see on sale when you're walking through the aisles of the grocery store. So if you see a good deal, pick it up, keep it on hand, because when you're ready to get all those ingredients together, you'll have them ready. And a big thing I can stress is you want to go ahead, read the recipe before you start if it's recipes that you've never used before, so you've got everything you need. And also think about buying maybe some of the spices you're going to use a lot in bulk, because you can put them in airtight containers and freeze them, and you usually get a better deal that way. So here's what you'll need for getting your canning started.